The TCU baseball team preps for the 2019 season with their first practice on January 25, 2019. TCU baseball fans will have to wait an extra day for the home opener. With a rainy and cold forecast for Tuesday night, the Frogs will move their home opener against Abilene Christian to Wednesday. First pitch will remain at 6:30 p.m. Saturday's game against Grand Canyon University has moved to a 3 p.m. first pitch. TCU returns home after opening its season by going 2-1 in the MLB4 Tournament in Scottsda, Arizona. The weekend was capped with an upset of top-ranked Vanderbilt on Sunday. Junior left-hander Halen Green is expected to start the home opener against Abilene Christian. Green appeared in 16 games, including 5 starts, for the Frogs last season. He went 2-2 with a 4.29 ERA. TCU's upset of top-ranked Vanderbilt on Sunday has landed it in Baseball America's latest top 25 poll. February 18, 2019 12 a.m. February 17, 2019 4:59 p.m. February 16, 2019 4:45 p.m. February 16, 2019 1:10 p.m. February 16, 2019 2:45 p.m. February 16, 2019 10:15 a.m.